What it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. So today is Friday, March 15th, 2024, and I didn't have the best day myself, but I like to do these daily recaps because it helps me see what I missed and how I can improve on going forward. That way I don't miss out on these plays. So let me break it down for you. A few hours before the open, we had this sell-off right into the open, and at 8:30, we had our first entry right off of this pivot point to go long. The last couple of videos, I had mentioned that these pivot points have been offering good areas of support. So I actually did take this long here at 86, and it was a quick 10 points in about 10 minutes. So that was the first play that I took, but then after that, it kind of went downhill. So from there, we saw a dump, and then we had this nice entry point right here at 76. I took this one as well, but I had gotten stopped out because my stop was a little bit too tight. I just didn't want to risk having a 5-point stop, but if I had used that, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. And this entry right here was from CPI on, I think it was Wednesday. Excuse me. We dropped down and found some buyers at 76, and so that's kind of the area where we bounced today. So it wasn't exactly 76, it was about 73, so maybe even 72. But it dropped down below that, but you wouldn't have gotten stopped out if you had entered here. And then it was a nice 20 points in about an hour. Play number 3 was this bear flag. It was a 50% retracement from whenever we started to drop. So if you shorted here, it was a good pullback. I was looking for shorts here. I actually took a short at like 90 right here. Kind of wanted to see something similar to yesterday where we pulled back and then found some buyers here. But we ended up blasting through that and then found the rejection right at the 50% mark. So I wish I had put a fib level because I would have seen this 50% level. And I may have tried to short again here. But that was plan number 3. And then finally, plan number 4 was off of this trendline bounce. And then off of the, if you look at a 4-hour chart, you can see that we had a bounce right here. And it started out, what was this? Wednesday of January 17th. So starts there, get a bounce here. And then it was a perfect bounce here today. So I wish I had seen that as well while I was trading. I was looking for maybe a double bottom, so I entered in down here at 73, was up a little bit, didn't hit my TP, and then ended up getting stopped out. So again, I wish I had seen this while I was trading, but just a little flustered during the day that I wasn't seeing everything as clearly as I'd like. But regardless, this was a good entry point. If you had taken this level, it was 20 points to finish the day, and then after that, we kind of just chopped around, was sideways. So bearish way to end the week, but it's always a good learning lesson. It'll help me improve in the future to trust what I see, not fight the trend. But that's pretty much it. I will catch you tomorrow when I do the best play of the week. I love you.